Hello friends, I'm Anisa. Welcome back everyone to my channel. So today I came up with a different video. In this video, my friends Satyam Sankeet and Arshad Khan will be introducing you and explaining you on a new website that they have created. Its name is Comboblisk. Through this website, they will provide you latest news in machine learning, computational neuroscience, and Python and bioinformatics. They will also host open projects, courses, webinars, etc. They will also conduct GATE Biotechnology test series. You can visit the website from the link given in the description box, and also the links for registering GATE test series and for Autodoc webinar are also given in description. You can fill the Google forms and register for the webinar as well as GATE test series. You can also connect them through WhatsApp. Contact numbers are also provided. So let's hear more about the Comboblisk website from its creators and watch the video completely to know more about the features offered on this website.
Hello everyone, my name is Satyam Sangeet and this is my friend Arshad Khan.
Hi guys.
Yeah, and we both have started out on a new venture which is called as Compoblisk. So Compoblisk is basically a website that tries to connect with undergraduate as well as postgraduate students who are trying to find their way into the industries or research area. So like apart in some basic information about both of us is that we both have completed our masters from NIT Bhopal and we both are actively involved with the research work as well as some of the industrial collaborations. Coming to our website, the reason that we created this website was to tackle the problems that the students are facing nowadays with the current scenario of COVID-19 and the epidemic. Majority of the shift that has been seen is towards the bioinformatics source or the dry lab source. So keeping that view in mind, our major aim was to interact with students, the undergraduate students as well as postgraduate students, and to provide them a platform where they can come and interact with us with their ideas, and they can get information about various kind of courses that we are providing. So if you go to this our website, so this is our website, you can keep this link here, sites.google.com/view/compoblisk, and here you can see we have created this website which basically hosts some of the like basic understanding of what machine learning is, computational biology, Python and BioPython courses, as well as molecular docking. You can individually go to these URLs and see what the details are. So basically, machine learning deals with the understanding of how machines are able to predict a specific outcome, be it in the health informatics sector or industrial sector. Computational biology basically deals with all those systems in biology which you can code for from a computational point of view, such as computational genetics, computational neuroscience, computational developmental biology. So all these models basically involve the usage of your mathematical knowledge as well as your computer science knowledge. Another program that we host is called as Python and BioPython. So nowadays what happens is in colleges, the students basically who are from biotech background, they are able to gain understanding in programming languages, but that is just limited to one semester only. And what happens is with the further advancement in the semesters, they are not really in touch with the programming languages. As such, they don't understand how the basic functionality of these computational networks happen. But what demerit this has is that the core branch of biotechnology is research. But if an industry is coming to your college to give you placement, they are basically looking for they're basically looking for a person who has a basic understanding in the programming language. So that's why it's really important for you to understand how programming languages work out, and one way to do it is using Python, which is very basic programming language. Also an advancement of Python is BioPython, that the people who are mainly include like working in the field of like bioinformatics and dealing with the data, they try to use that. So we are also providing courses for Python and BioPython. We have successfully completed some of the courses. Another course that we are going to start off is by molecular docking. So in the same way as the computational network works, molecular docking or any kind of bioinformatics also work out in the same way, that students learn about this just for one semester and then they forget about what basic usage of these things are. But if you're going for an industry that is basically working in the core field of bioinformatics, they require a student or they require a person who has a basic understanding of how to use a software. For example, there are different kind of softwares like Autodoc, Veena, Chimera, Patchdoc servers, some online servers, as well as molecular simulation networks. So you have to have a basic understanding of how to use these networks, as well as you have to have a basic understanding of how to use these softwares so as to get your desired results. So we host a multitude of these projects as well, webinars as well. And apart from that, we also host some open projects whereby you can go out there and click on it, and you can see there are certain projects that we have uploaded, like SIR epidemic model, how to create an epidemic model from coding, and how to predict this epidemic model would behave out, as well as deterministic and stochastic models, whereby you can actually code for a specific kind of a chemical reaction model or a biochemical model or an enzymatic model on your own laptop or a computer. And these are open projects, so you can just go out there, use the codes that we have provided, and create your own projects. And hopefully, if you come up with some good ideas, we can collaborate together. Also, just to give a motivational insight, we have also provided TED Talks. So these TED Talks basically host different kind of people who give insights into the understanding of machine learning or AI and computational biology and all those sort of things. So you can go out there, and this is a one area whereby you will find all the related TED Talks. So you don't have to, go out on YouTube and search everything. You'll all find the relevant TED Talks of all the fields here, which are specific to Python and machine learning and all artificial intelligence, as well as bioinformatics and computational biology. Apart from that, these are the certain packages that you would require. So we have provided all the links to different packages if you are going to start off any project with us. And these you can see these are the testimony of some of the people that we are currently working with. So Rohit Singh Yadav is a research analyst at InnoPlexus. So InnoPlexus is a company that is basically dealing with molecular docking analysis, and they have like talked very highly of like this particular website. Also, Azad Kumar is also a research analyst at Persistence Market Research, and he knows the market really well, and he has seen the trend shifting from wet lab experiments to dry lab experiments, and he has really acknowledged what we are basically doing. Also, one of our interns, one of our student who has recently passed out from our Python and BioPython coursework, Mr. Shubham Kumbar, he recently passed out our Python and BioPython programming course. And quickly after passing that, he was like hired as an intern at Gene Spectrum Life Sciences, and he really talks highly of our courses as well. And apart from that, what we have done is we have also started out by giving certain exam tips as well as test series for students who are going to prepare for the GATE exams. So you can go here for in the exam section, there is a GATE exam, and you can click on it, and there are some basic details of what we will be providing. And there's a form, you can fill out the form so that we get to know your details and we can contact you directly regarding the test series. So what we do is we host 12 test series which basically cover all your basic like subjects of biotechnology, from biochemistry to molecular biology to genetics, immunology, and biochemical engineering, everything. And it's a very exhaustive type of an exam test series which will allow you to prepare better for your GATE exams. And every exam is followed by a post-exam question paper analysis, which is a webinar sort of thing, whereby we interact with you guys and clear your doubts out. We solve the whole paper to show you how to tackle each particular questions. And right now, various from various colleges, students have registered for our program. For example, IIT BHU, IIT Gandhinagar, Triple IT Hyderabad, DY Patil Biotechnology, NIT Bhopal. So people from all these different colleges have registered for our particular program in GATE exams. Also, we host, there are different forms available. You can go to this form section. So right now we are hosting a webinar on the usage of Autodoc software. So you can go to this form section, fill out this form, and so that we get to know your details and we can contact with you so that you get an understanding of how these Autodoc softwares are basically used out. So it's a 1 hour webinar whereby we will be talking with you about the theoretical aspect of the software as well as the practical aspect by giving you a live example by taking a protein as well as a ligand and showing you how the docking process happens out and how to analyze the output. If you like our webinar, we will also be hosting a full course whereby we will be dealing with all the different kind of software such as Chimera, Autodoc Veena, there's ZDoc, Patchdoc servers, molecular simulation, CapsFlex. So this is a whole 15 days coursework which will be provided to you, and you will, and it, like the main aim of those projects will be to make you feel better about how to use those softwares and to give you a hands-on approach. And we're also going to start off with something which we call as a common platform, whereby we will be interacting with our students and to see if they have a potential idea or not. And if you have a certain potential idea regarding any field, you can contact us, and we will try our best to connect you to one of the employers that we have, or any kind of research institute where where they can provide you the right platform for you to do the research or do any kind of projects. So I hope you guys will really like our website. So that was for it now. And if you guys want, you can just register for these courses. We will be really happy to come and contact with you guys. So I hope we have a good bright future.